Hi guys. Something really cool just happened. So I'm chilling in my room, well, the hotel room, and I just switched on the TV. It was the end of my day. I was just trying to relax and watch something before I go to bed. And I put it on, and this movie is playing. It had already started, so I'm watching a few minutes in, and I realized that shit. Um, this thing that I'm watching is actually the book that I'm reading. Like, this is so insane. The book is The Juror by George something Green. This book right here. I don't know. I'm excited. The movie is ahead of where I am in the book, but I am excited to finish the book because obviously the book's gonna be better. But I just thought it was really interesting how life can come at you. So I'm gonna finish watching the movie, and then I'm gonna finish reading the book, and then I'll tell you guys what I thought about both of them. That will come in another video. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's pretty cool. I mean, who would have expected it? So yeah, that's what's happening. I'm currently in SA, heading back home on Sunday. Here on business, but everything is going good. Everything is going well. I am super excited about shit that's happening, and yeah, this video was more about the movie and the book thing because I thought that was really cool. But I'll do like a proper update on the things that are happening in my life. I think beginning of April, just so that it starts off with the fresh month, and so that I don't lie about things that are happening that aren't happening. But in the meantime, go buy your Mighty Song Festival tickets. Come see my show. It's on the 19th of April at Tapong Visual Arts Center. It's $100, students, pensioners, and if you buy in bulk, you can get a discount. Hoping to see you guys there. Anyway, like this video. And let me know down in the comments below if this has ever happened to you. This is so cool. Usually, I feel like the volume is so loud. Usually, you know that there's a movie before you kind of bump into the movie, or you watch the movie first and read the book, or you read the book then watch the movie. So this is like happening during, which has never happened to me before. Anyway, like this video, share, subscribe, like, comment down below if this has ever happened to you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.